Welcome to East Oz Urbex. Today, I'm in the beautiful rainforests of Queensland. While I was here, I explored two separate locations. This is the first. A beautiful two-storey mansion hidden deep in the jungle. I couldn't find any information on when the property was built, but it has been owned by the Queensland government since 2007 and was purchased as part of a rainforest restoration project. Since then, it has sat abandoned and sadly fallen victim to vandals. Come along with me as I take a step inside and see what remains of this beautiful home. Got a car coming, I think. Just gonna hide around the corner. Yep, alright. So it took me a while to find the entrance to this place. I was actually just gonna walk straight through the rainforest from the car park, but it seems there's actually a driveway, which is good. Fuse box. That's interesting. So as I'm walking in here, I don't really know the history, but I'm sure I'll provide you with some at the start of the video once I've researched it. But coming into it, I don't know how old it is, why it's here, why it was abandoned, but I guess you'll already know that. But for me, it's new, so not many people know about this place. It used to be in great condition, but unfortunately, a certain bunch of individuals got in there and started destroying it, which sucks. I always seem to get to these places too late, but yeah. So it's apparently a bit of a walk in, so I'll probably cut back once we're closer. So it seems I underestimated the size of this place. It's fucking huge. Oh my god. It's just incredible. How anyone found this place at all is just amazing. Wow. The rainforest has really taken over. So much graffiti. Can hear a lot of buzzing. Oh, this place is absolutely ruined by people. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Well, the pictures I've seen, it was in really nice condition. How the fuck? Oh, look at that. It's an old piano. Why do people have to do this? There's a lot of mattresses around. Oh, what's that over there? I think it's just a retaining wall. There's a lot of mattresses here. I'm guessing people have had parties out here and stayed the night. Wow, it's really high off the ground at the back. Look at all that shit that's just been thrown off. It's just so disappointing. It really is. Every single window's smashed. Yeah, anyway, got the kitchen. What's left of the kitchen. Very small kitchen for such a big house. Another mattress. There's like not a single bit of glass that isn't smashed in this place. Surprisingly, the toilet's intact. Oh, look at stained glass. And there's one bit that isn't smashed. There we go. I was wrong. Now this floor looks a bit unsettling. Oh, there's a pathway over there. Yeah, I might check that out later. See if we can actually get upstairs, because that would be good. Actually didn't realise there was a lower level. Oh dear. I don't know if I even want to venture down there. I definitely want to go up there. Look at that. Now that is scary. My God. Floor is very wet up here. Oh, look at that. You know what? Even those are broken. That's insane. Explains why it's so wet. Wow, imagine having a bath in here. It's amazing. Hopefully I don't fall through the floor. Looks like a master bedroom. There we go. That toilet's broken. That's what I expected. A shower. That's some interesting graffiti. This is another bedroom with another ensuite. Did not expect that. Let's see if we can get through this area. The floor is soaked here because of the broken window on the roof. Can I just say, whoever destroyed this place, like, what the fuck? Why do you feel the need to do this? It's just terrible. Such a beautiful home. Ooh. Oh, still got reception, that's good. Huge bedrooms. I wonder what this is. Oh, it must be a laundry chute. That's interesting. It's another bathroom. Oh yeah, it's a big one. that's the whole shower. That's a big shower. Got a bug on my hat. I wish I saw this place before it was destroyed by everyone. It's just such an amazing design. Alright, I might have a see if I can get downstairs and have a look at the basement area. Is it really worth it? It looks quite interesting down there, but oh dear. Okay. It's an absolute mess down the middle. What the? This must be the garage. That's interesting. There is a lot of water down here. People have just thrown everything in the middle. Little spider. Not going to focus. Cool. This is very wet down here. That's a noose. How deep is this water? That's not too bad. Oh, someone's trying to be edgy. Very weird garage. The roof, this looks like an after edition, but it's just the height is just not very high at all. So if this is the garage, how does the driveway meet up to it? I guess it goes around the side here. Yeah, it does. Interesting. Alright, well that's quite an interesting place. I'm just, as I said, I'm sad that I didn't get here earlier and see it when it was in its prime. Ah, that's where this goes. Would you look at that? I don't think I really want to go up there, but I'll head back this way. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. On the next episode, I'm taking a look at a secluded rainforest motel, and this place has hardly been touched. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out.